In this video, you will learn about Canvas, the Eastern Michigan University Learning Management System, and it is the learning management system for the hybrid course EDST800, Introduction to Educational Studies, Scholarship, Teaching, and Learning. When you log into Canvas, the first thing that you will see will be the home page. On the home page, you will see the description of the course as well as information about the profs for the course. Additionally, along the side in the green bar navigation menu, you will see various things that you can click on to view. For example, if you click Account, you can see your information by clicking on the links that you see there. You can also see a dashboard if you click that. I can't see it because I'm in a student view. You can click Courses, and then you will see the courses that you are currently enrolled in, and you can click All and see all courses, past and present, that you were enrolled in. If you click on Calendar, you will see the course calendar for every course that you are enrolled in, and each course will be identified by a different color. So in this case, EDST is green. If you're registered for another course, it would be listed here and it would probably be a different color. In the calendar, you can click on the calendar items and you will get assignment details, including the due date and the details of the assignment, as well as links to resources and the scoring rubric that support you in doing the assignment. You can also click the inbox, and that will take you to the mail system for Canvas, and you will be able to read your email as well as send email. I'm going to go to Courses and click EDST800, and I will talk about EDST800. Before I talk about the navigation for the actual course, if you look up in the upper left corner, you'll see the name of the course, and you can show or hide the course menu. And that's what happens when you do. If you have more than one course, they'll all show and hide accordingly. So announcements. Anytime we submit an announcement to the course, to the class, you will see it if you click Announcements. Likewise, when we post an announcement in the course shell, you will get a copy of that announcement in your email. You can reply to an announcement from the course shell by clicking Reply or by replying from your email. Announcements will stay visible throughout the semester. When you click Syllabus, you will see the course syllabi. There's also a link to a PDF version of it so that you can have your own printable copy of it. In the course syllabus, we give you instructor information, the theme, the catalog description and purpose of the course, as well as objectives, the general course outline, the texts that are required as well as recommended. And for other readings in the course, there will be links in each module to articles that you will be required to read. The syllabus also has instructional procedures. It has the university policy regarding academic honesty, and then it gives you some information about the assignments that will be due for the course. And then at the very end of the syllabus, you will see a summary of the assignments, due dates, and points, as well as the grading scale. If you click on modules, then you will actually see the course content. Each module can be collapsed or expanded. We start off with Course Home, and as you can see here, there are a number of things under Course Home. Anytime you see an icon that looks like a sheet of paper, that means that when you click that, you will see information, not an assignment, but information that will be helpful to you. When you see an icon that has an A+ on it, that means that it is an assignment. And you'll notice that as you hover over the icons and the links, it gives you a description of what it is. So in this case, where it says Doctoral Handbook, the A+ indicates that this is an assignment that is due on December 15th, and there are 0 points for it. If you click the name or title, you'll get the specifics regarding the assignment, including the due date, points, and how you will submit your assignment. There are links in this case to the student handbook and a form that you will need to sign and submit in Canvas. To submit an assignment, you click the Submit Assignment button, and then in this case you will upload a file and click Submit Assignment. To navigate through Canvas in each module and content item in the module, you'll see Previous and Next, and you can click those and it'll take you to the next item. So this is an information page, and so now you're looking at information about using the Microsoft Word APA template. Going back to modules, when you see something that just has a title without a due date or points, it is what is called a header or an advanced organizer. It helps us organize the information in a way that we hope will be helpful to you. Each module has a title and then information underneath it. When you see this little chat box, or call out as it's also known as, that means it is a discussion. You can click on that particular link and it will take you to the discussion. Each discussion is awarded points and has a due date, as you can see here. There are prompts to tell you what it is we are looking for in the discussion, and we do expect you to respond to each post question, that is the questions that we have posted in the discussion, and then also respond to at least 2 of your peers. Respond in substantive sentences and paragraphs. Do not simply just say, yes, I agree, or no, I do not agree. Explain to us in detail why you agree or don't agree, or what your thoughts and philosophy are about a given topic that's in the discussion. A quick way to get to discussions is to click the discussion link in the navigation bar, but of course you will also see them when you look at the modules. We will have guest speakers for the course, and they are listed in a header or advanced organizer. When you see something that says read this first, be sure to read that before you read anything else in that module. When we have a guest speaker, you'll see that indicated here. If we're going on a field trip, which we will be, then you'll see that noted in a module as well. We will not have class on 1 or 2 occasions, and when that is the case, you'll see this here. It says no in-person class this week. Those are the modules. If you click grades, it will take you to the grades page, and from you also see the due date for each assignment. When assignments are assessed, you'll see the score that was awarded, and then you see the total points possible for each assignment. And you'll notice that with the due dates, there is also a time associated with the due date. You can arrange the grades by due date, assignment group, module, or by title. If you click People, and from the navigation menu, you will see a list of the names of the students in the course, And if you click on the student's name, it will show you the information for that particular student. If you have any questions about EDST800 or the content in the course, perhaps an assignment isn't displayed properly or a link isn't working correctly, or maybe you notice that a grammar error exists or a spelling error, please be sure to let us know that and we will make the necessary corrections.